To score well in an exam while adhering to Islamic principles, it is important to prioritize both academic excellence and spiritual well-being. In preparation for the exam, begin by seeking Allah's help through sincere supplication, acknowledging that success ultimately comes from Him. Renew your intentions, reminding yourself that the pursuit of knowledge is a means of seeking closeness to Allah and benefiting others. Manage your time efficiently, creating a schedule that allows for focused studying and regular breaks. Engage actively with the material, taking notes and summarizing key concepts. Utilize authentic and reliable study resources that align with Islamic teachings. Recite specific supplications for success in exams, seeking Allah's blessings and guidance. Create a conducive study environment, free from distractions, and take care of your physical and mental well-being through sufficient rest and nourishing meals. Islam, as a major world religion, offers several valuable aspects. It promotes monotheism, emphasizing the belief in one God. Islam provides a comprehensive moral and ethical framework, guiding personal conduct and societal interactions. It encourages the pursuit of knowledge and education. Islam promotes social justice, equality, and caring for the less fortunate. It emphasizes strong family ties and fosters a cohesive community.